Dr. Alpesh Gandhi. Dr. Alpesh Gandhi, the man of sheer determination and a true leader, is indeed a living legend for the gynecologists. In the midst of the unprecedented pandemic of COVID-19, Dr. Alpesh Gandhi took over the reins of Foxy as a president. He stood unperturbed, and as a man with a mission, he ensured that Foxy protected the woman's health and came out with several important GCPR on pregnancy and perinatal management in COVID-19 and prepared a national registry on pregnancy with COVID-19 infection. During his tenure, he ensured that the fraternity of gynecologists all across India remains connected and the skill and knowledge flows across India through the use of digital technology or virtual meetings. Dr. Alpesh has been a pioneer in establishing and training obstetricians in critical care obstetrics. He has been instrumental in preparing establishment and operational guidelines of obstetric HDU and for optimizing cesarean section rates for the Government of India. He has authored a book on critical care obstetrics, which is valued and read all across the globe and even has been translated in Chinese and Spanish languages. He has contributed a chapter on sudden maternal collapse in Figo's continuous textbook. He has been an editor of several important Foxy GCPRs and Foxy Focus. He has held several positions of authority in Foxy, GTOSIS, SOGOG, and even Ahmedabad Obs and Gynae Society over the last decade. It is his authority, experience, oratory excellence, and leadership skills that has ensured that all the conferences and workshops organized by him have a resounding success. He has been awarded 40 orations by Gynae societies in India and internationally. His passion and mission to save mothers' lives is unprecedented. He has conducted several public forums and organized programs for women, adolescents, and doctors on World Environment Day, International Yoga Day, National Doctors' Day, on significant topics like air pollution, population stabilization, organ donation, health and wellness of women. Dr. Alpesh's achievements and efforts have been recognized and honored by prestigious awards from several organizations. Has received Special Appreciation Award by Integrated Health Council for Foxy for his efforts for Anemia Mukt Bharat, Dr. DC Datta Prize, Dr. DK Tang Trophy for Best RCH Activities are few among several other awards he has received. An academician, a pioneer, a visionary, and a leader who has worked ceaselessly for the women's health and fellow gynecologists is today rightly awarded by the Delhi Gynecologist Forum the prestigious Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Living Legend Award for 2021 on this 75th Independence Day celebration. We wish him good health and success in all his future endeavors.
Express my feelings. I am humbled. I am honored by receiving this prestigious award. Dr. Alkaji has mentioned when it is from your own society, it has different value. I consider myself a part of the Delhi society. When Alkaji was President Foxy, under her able leadership with Dr. Pratima ji, we organized Critical Care in Obstetric Conference. Until then, I consider myself a part of the Delhi society. So for me also, it is the same feeling. Thank you. I am thankful to Dr. Madam Sarda Jain ji, President Secretary of all 9 forums, AOGD, and all the members of all 9 forums for this honor, for this award. When I received a message from Madam, WhatsApp message, I immediately decided I will definitely go to receive this award because of 4 reasons. First, it was in the name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So we all are inspired from his life, from his message, from his spirit. He is role model for all of us. And it is a great vision of Madam to choose his name for all these awards. It really, name itself motivate all of us, Madam. Second reason was I was going to receive this legend award with a legend like Dr. Alka Kriplani ji. I do not want to miss this opportunity. Third reason was it is decided by Madam Dr. Sarda Jain, and I am going to receive this award in her hands. How can I? So immediately when I received this message, I decided I will be there definitely, Madam. And fourth reason is I want to take this opportunity to meet all of you physically, because during last 1.5 years as my president tenure of Foxy, it was a very difficult time. Whatever we could do for Foxy, for our members, for women of India is just and just because of wholehearted motivational support from all of you. There was a tremendous support from all of you. I still remembered 8 March 2020 when we declared International Women's Day to celebrate by cervical screening and for breast cancer screening of police and CRPF families. And just 1 or 2 days before, Government of India has declared no one will join. They issued letter to CRPF because of the COVID has already entered in India. But in spite of all this, it was the first program and more than 200 societies joined the program. So it was a great motivation from all of you, and this has pushed me to work more and more during the tenure. Dr. Sarda Jain Madam, really a great inspiration for all of us. Madam, though we met for a few times, but I but I have learnt a lot from you. I have learnt a lot from you. Directly, indirectly, we were in contact, in touch, and it's a best example, as Madam has mentioned, how one can work for unity, for fellowship of our members. Of course, we are there for academic, but our first motto is definitely fellowship. And I think 9 forums are a big number. And to maintain harmony, communication with AOGD, our own institute, our own society, along with 9 societies, it's really a best example for all the societies across India. So this is something very unique and a great learning for all of us. These awards, again, I definitely would suggest that Foxy can also think such type of awards, which definitely motivate more and more our members. So, Madam, we wish your blessings will be there, continuous, your guidance will be there, continuous with us. Once again, I would like to thank all of you because of your support. We can reach to unreached during this tenure. We can do lot of work academically, socially, COVID-related work, fellowship work. So many work have been done. And as Madam has mentioned, we could reach to government, Niti Aayog, WHO, ICMR, and Foxy was considered. And this is just because of one voice from all of you. And last, that COVID-19 vaccination, which we could advocated successfully. That is just because and because of I have seen all 262 societies were advocating for this vaccine to media, to local authority, to our members across India. Niti Aayog, I definitely contacted Niti Aayog, ICMR, WHO, FIGO, SAFO, Government of India. But ultimately, it is very important the voice should raise from each and every corner of India, and that you people have done. And so this is the best example. And whatever I could do little for our Foxy and our fellowship is because of blessings from seniors like Madam Sarda Jain. And active support from all of you. Only I would like to request all of you on this Independence Day. We are doing a lot of academic work for our members. If we want to achieve SDG goal, somehow preventive and social obstetric and gynecology is missed somewhere. It has a very important role. Simple things like elimination of new cases of thalassemia, cervical cancer elimination, breast cancer elimination, anemia pre-India. Small things are there. If we can spare few minutes for counseling with our patients, then we can easily achieve SDG goal. So many things are there. So we all are basically first preventive obstetrician, preventive gynecologists, and then definitely we are there for treatment part. So with this, happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you very much for this honor, award. Thank you.